you are considering moving to a townhome, this is the video for you. We've talked a lot about the good, bad, and ugly of owning a townhome here recently, and you found yourself drawn to the ultimate convenience of a townhouse with a prime location. Hi, I'm Sarah Maslowski with KeyPoint Homes Group, a local real estate agent right here in the Atlanta area, and I help clients from all over the country and world relocate right here to North Georgia. If you are looking to make a move to Georgia, I want to be your real estate agent. So, which neighborhoods here in the North Metro are going to have the prime location and easy living for a townhome community? First on the list is High Point View, which is just about to be finished by McKinley Homes and Cumming. There are a small handful of new options left in the neighborhood. Homes here have closed from the upper 400,000 to the mid 500,000s, and there are a total of 78 homes in the neighborhood. I would describe these as mid-level luxury, if that makes sense. They feature 2-car garages, you've got granite countertops, and some of the 6 floor plans even have built-in roof lofts. These are 3 and 4 bedroom floor plans, and some of the homes in this neighborhood have Lake Lanier sitting right behind them. The neighborhood also has a small pool and playground, but the main draw to this community, like all that we were going to talk about today, is its prime location. You're only about 3 minutes away from all the shopping you could possibly need. You're right near the Cumming Town Center, not to be confused with Cumming City Center. Town Center has a TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Old Navy, Ulta, and much more. And then you've also got a Costco right around the corner, which is one thing I hear from clients all the time that they want to be close to. You also have a Walmart, Marshalls, Target, Kohl's, and the list goes on and on right around the corner, not to mention tons of restaurant options as well. This also means that you're just a few minutes away from Georgia 400, so you can get over to Alpharetta in about 15 minutes or head straight on down to Atlanta. The neighborhood is right off of Buford Dam Road, which is a beautiful road that winds around Lake Lanier and connects Cumming to Buford. Not only are you right next to the beautiful lake with quick and easy access to several public parks right there on Buford Dam, but you also get over to Buford very easily. The next neighborhood on the list is Swan Station. This neighborhood is unique because it is a mix of single-family homes and townhomes, though most of them are going to be townhomes. Here you can find houses ranging in price from high 300s to the mid 500s. You're going to find that the single family homes run on the higher side, and there is quite a variety of pricing on the townhomes because they vary in age and size. Homes were built in a few phases in the neighborhood, most of which were built in 2004 and 2005, and then sprinkled throughout the early 2000s, you're gonna have some more options. And then there were also some new townhouses that were built in 2018 and 2019. Obviously, these new builds are going to be some of the more expensive homes. The resale for these have gone closer to $500,000 price point. You've got plenty of neighborhood amenities like tons of pickleball courts, tennis courts, a huge pool, pavilion, a playground, and even a clubhouse that has a gym. There are also walking trails and plenty of green space to walk your dog since you will have smaller yards here. One of the biggest advantages to this neighborhood is that you are within walking distance of this little strip mall area that has a fresh market, and then you've also got a few restaurants, a kids dentistry, nail salon, boutique, and even an urgent care. Walkability is very hard to come by even in more developed towns like Swanee, so this is highly desirable. A few months ago, we helped some amazing clients purchase a townhouse here. They fell in love with the neighborhood at the beginning of their search, and they kept coming back to it. A floor plan that they really liked came available in their price point, and we jumped on it as fast as we could, and they were able to secure their Swanee townhome for less than $370,000. In the 7 months since they've bought their townhouse, the same floor plan has sold for about $15,000 to $20,000 over what they paid for it. And we will likely continue to see home prices here rise. Another big advantage to this neighborhood is that it sits right off of Peachtree Industrial Boulevard, and it's going to be very convenient if you are commuting anywhere. And there are plenty of stores and restaurants on Peachtree. You'll just be a few minutes away from a Publix, Kroger, Chick-fil-A, Aldi, and plenty more places that you're gonna find yourself frequenting. You're also only about 6 minutes away from Swanee Town Center, so this neighborhood has has an amazingly convenient location. Swanee is a highly sought after town, and this one is one of the most affordable neighborhoods to own your own beautiful place. For more information on the town of Swanee, make sure you check out this video. Another great townhome community you should check out is Waterstone Crossing and Flowery Branch. Flowery Branch has quite a few new townhome communities, so you have quite a few options in this area. But Waterstone Crossing is one of the original townhome neighborhoods here. There are several different floor plans in the community, and they are quite unique when compared to some of the new construction options. They have a floor plan that is essentially made for roommates or multi-generational families. They have a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath floor plan, and both of those bedrooms could be considered primary suites because they both have huge walk-in closets, ensuite bathrooms, and the bedrooms themselves are oversized. There are 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom floor plans as well, along with some homes that even have a finished basement. These homes were built in 2 different stages. Most of them were constructed from 2002 to about 2009, and then they built some more of these in 2018 and 2019. There is also a large neighborhood pool, green space, and playground, but of course, one of the biggest selling points about this neighborhood is its location and price point. Homes here average in the high 200,000s to the mid 300,000s. These prices make this community the most affordable neighborhood we will talk about today. It also sits a stone's throw from downtown Flowery Branch, not even a minute away, so you have access to the great restaurants and coffee shops here and the wonderful farmers market that they host every single week. And then you're also only about a 3-minute drive from Target, Home Depot, TJ Maxx, Publix, Walgreens, McDonald's, and the list goes on. This means that the neighborhood is also right off of 985, so if you have a commute anywhere off of the interstate, this is the most convenient location possible. You're also less than 5 minutes away from Safe Harbor Aqualand Marina on Lake Lanier, so you can eat a meal on the water there at Pigtails, enjoy the lake, or hop in your boat. Last but not least on the list is by far the most expensive community we are going to talk about today, but it has quite possibly the most convenient location of all, and that is Avalon in Alpharetta. Now, you've probably heard me talk about Avalon, the outdoor shopping center that's located there in Alpharetta, but there's also a small neighborhood of townhomes that are essentially connected to the shopping center. So this has the best walkability of all the communities we have talked about today by a long shot. You are practically connected to some amazing shopping from Lululemon, Madewell, Chanel, plus you have a Whole Foods that is right there for you for your groceries. You've also got Jenny's Ice Cream for your sweet treats, True Food Kitchen for healthy meals, and Roomy's Kitchen for date nights. And as you can imagine, the list goes on and on. Of course, this prime location is located right off of Georgia 400, so if you need to get down to Atlanta, you're only about 26 miles from downtown. It is an incredible location, and anytime I walk around the shopping center at Avalon, I think, dang, that looks like such a cool place to live. Now, the absolute largest drawback to the neighborhood is one I'm sure you can guess, and that's going to be the price. These homes were built from 2014 to 2018, and there are only a few streets of them. There are also a few single family homes here as well, but they are row houses. You could reach out your arm out a window and touch your neighbor. There is currently a single family home listed for sale for a mere $2.8 million. It is currently under contract, and man, is it a cool house. Now, there is not a high turnover rate in this small, highly desired community. As far as pricing on the townhomes go, there were only 11 sales last year, with prices ranging from the upper 900,000s all the way to 1.5 million. But these are luxurious, gorgeous townhouses that have one of the most ideal locations depending upon the buyer. So what do you think? Do any of these conveniently located neighborhoods catch your eye? We just merely scratched the surface of all the available townhome communities there are here in North Georgia. If you're drawn to a low maintenance lifestyle of a townhouse, or even if single family homes are more your speed, let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in buying a home here in Georgia, I want to be your real estate agent. You can contact me by clicking the link in the pinned comments below. If you're interested in learning more about living in a townhouse, make sure you check out this video.